introduce our standard 51.2 volt, 280 ampere hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is about 56. And we'll all finish it and test it. And we'll ship it out quickly. And this is LCD BMS. And this is terminal. This is the RS4851, RS4852, and this is the button. So, also you can buy the complete product. Also you can buy the DIY box, and you can buy the battery cells and assemble by yourself. And as you know, we have the DIY box. We have EU stocks. One is in Poland and one is in Germany. And you can buy the DIY box and in our from our EU warehouse, and buy the battery cells EVE 280 ampere hour from our Germany warehouse. And then you can assemble by yourself. Thank you.